Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and enable captions, live captions on your Google Meet. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, I'm going to simply go ahead and show you by opening Google Meet. Simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and then search for Google Meet just like that. Click on the first link right over here and make sure you're already logged in. Click on new meeting. You can either join a meeting or just click on new and start one yourself. I'm gonna go ahead and start one myself, and now all you need to do in order to go ahead and have a live caption is simply go ahead and have your mic allowed in the browser itself, and then click on this CC right over here. Now if I go ahead and do that, as you can see, my live caption is going to be shown right down here, and it's not just mine, it's going to be everyone else's who are going to be speaking. You can also choose multiple languages right over here. They have a selective language right here. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.